Today we will learn another set of spelling words for grade 3 and we are now on lesson 4. So are you ready? Let us start. Let us read the words first. Name, copy, copy, write, 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 order, order, tell, tell, from, words, words, made, 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 good, 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 five, five, use, use, in, 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 on, under, between, between, over, over, above, above, below, below, behind or behind, behind, you, red, red, read, read, choose, behind, behind, you, read, read, choose, choose. Okay, let's read it again together. Name, copy, write, order, tell, from, words, made, good, five, use, in, on, under, between, over, above, below, behind, you, read, choose. Okay, let's spell it now. Name, N-A-M-E, name. Copy, copy. C-O-P-Y, copy. Write, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Order, order. O-R-D-E-R, order. Tell, T-E-L-L, tell. From, F-R-O-M, from. F-R-O-M, from. Words, words. W-O-R-D-S, words. W-O-R-D-S, words. Made, made. M-A-D-E, made. M-A-D-E, made. Good, good. G-O-O-D, good. G-O-O-D, good. Five, five. F-I-V-E, five. Use, use. U-S-E, use. in, in, I-N, in, on, on, O-N, on, under, under, U-N-D-E-R, under, between, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between, over, O-V-E-R, over, above, above, A-B-O-V-E, above, below, 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 B-E-L-O-W, below, below, B-E-L-O-W, below, you, you, Y-O-U, you, read, read, R-E-A-D, read, choose, choose, C-H-O-O-S-E, choose. Okay, your turn to read now. Well done. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Thank you and God bless, but please don't forget to heart and share. Please visit also my YouTube channel, Teacher Yumi. Bye!